Hi guys, Anita here and welcome to Anita's Cake Bakery. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to decorate Christmas cookies. Okay, let's get started. To decorate your Christmas tree cookie, you need to start off by rolling out some dark green fondant. Then roll over your fondant with a patterned rolling pin. Next you need to cut out your Christmas tree using your cookie cutter. Brush the back of your Christmas tree with some water and then attach this to your cookie. Next you can attach sugar balls in various sizes into the center of each flower that's on your Christmas tree. Now, using some red fondant, you can make a bow using your mould for the top of your tree. Now you need to attach your bow to the top of your Christmas tree. To make your Christmas wreath, cover your entire cookie in royal icing that's been coloured in green. The consistency of my royal icing was just a little bit too thick, but as it's been covered in sugar balls, it didn't really matter. So now you need to cover your entire cookie in these sugar balls. Attach a fondant holly on the top of your cookie with a little bit of water. And now you can use 3 of your smallest red sugar balls for the middle of your holly, so it looks like the berries. For your plain round cookie, roll out your green fondant and cut out a circle using your cookie cutter. Next, using your embossing stick, make sure the embosser is in the middle of your cookie for the first stamp. And then you can emboss on either side of this middle stamp onto your cookie. Brush some water onto the bottom half of your cookie. Then sprinkle the sugar pearls all over the bottom half of your cookie in a container so that you can catch all the sugar balls. Then you can neaten up the edges with your knife. You can add some extra balls where you think needs them. And then you can add some sugar balls, the smallest ones, just on the top of the hearts.
Enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. For future videos, make sure to subscribe, and to get notified, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.